So let us move on to the first exercise of this chapter. So by using standard formula, expand the following. It is given 2x plus 7y whole square. So you can see we will apply the formula a plus b whole square, where this 2x will be equal to a. Just a minute. This 2x will be equal to a. What happens? Okay, sorry. This 2x will be a and this 7y will behave as b. So let us write the formula. So it is 2x plus 7y whole square will be equal to a square. A is 2x square plus b square plus 2ab. 2x into 7y. 2 into a into b. 7. Okay, so let us see. It will be 4x square plus 49 plus 7 square is 49 plus 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28x. Okay, so that will be the answer. 28x, this will be the answer. Okay, let us see the next question. This is one part 2. Okay, so by using standard formula, expand the following. Now this is half x plus 2 by 3y. So here also it will be a plus b whole square, where your a will be equal to half x and b will be equal to 2 by 3y. Let us see. Half x plus 2 by 3y whole square, it will be equal to a square. Half x means basically x by 2, so it will be x by 2 whole square plus 2 by 3 b square. So we can write this as 2y by 3, 2y by 3b square, this is b square, plus 2ab. 2 into a is x by 2, b is 2y by 3. So let us see what it happens. It will be x square by 4 plus 4y square by 9, because 2 square is 4 and 4y square will be y square and 3 square will be 9. So it is 4y square by 9 plus here this 2 will get cancelled out, so it will be 2xy by 3. So it will be 2xy by 3. I think this will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Using standard, same thing. Here your a will be equal to 3x and your b will be equal to 1 by 2x. So let us see. 3x plus 1 by 2x whole square will be equal to 3x square plus 1 by 2x square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 3x into 1 by 2x So it will be, if you strike it off, if you strike it off the x, and this 2 will get cancelled out with this 2, so only 3 will be remaining. So the final result will be 3x square is 9x square plus 1 by 2x square will be 1 square is 1, so it will be 1 by 4x square plus 3. So this will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay. These are very easy things. You can pause the video and write it down. So let us go to the next question. So it is by using standard formula expand. Here also same thing is going on. So it will be, your a will be equal to 3x square y and your b will be equal to 5z. So let us see. 3x square y plus 5z whole square will be equal to 3x square y. This is your entire thing is your a. Your entire thing 3x square y is your a plus a square plus b square. So please understand this thing, this 3x square y, this will be your a as I have taken over here. You please just see. Okay, so a square, a, and in the top there is square. Okay, so a square plus b square, b is 5z, so 5z square, your b is 5z, so let me write this 5z is your b. So it will be now 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into a is 3x square y, your b is 5z. So this is your 2a, this is your a, this 5z will be your b. A square plus b square plus 2ab, this is b square. Okay, so what it comes, it will be 9x to the power 4y square, so it will be 9, let me write it with another pen. So it will be 9x4y square plus 25z square plus 5 to the 10, 10 3 is a 30, 30x square y z. So this will be the answer. This will be your answer. Please note. Please check the answer. I think this will be your answer. Okay. So we will be moving on to the next question. So this is a minus b whole square. So how we will write a minus b whole square? So 3x, your a will be equal to 3x and your b will be equal to 1 by 2x. So let us see, 3x minus 1 by 2x whole square will be equal to, let me reduce the size of the pen little bit. Will be equal to 3x square plus, square terms will be plus only, as I have told you repeatedly. Even if it is minus over here, the square terms a square plus b square will be same for both a plus b whole square as well as a minus b whole square. So it will be 1 by 2x whole square. It will be now minus 2ab over here, minus 2 into a is 3x, b is 1 by 2x. So if you want to cancel it out, you can cancel x and x, you can cancel 2, 2, so only 3 is remaining. So next step it will be equal to 9x square plus, it will be 1 by, 1 square is 1, so 1 by 4x square. So it will be minus 3. I think this will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. If it is clear, you can note it down, pause the video. Let us move on to the next question. So it will be by using standard formula expand the following. Okay, here also a minus b whole square. A will be what? 1 by 2x, or you can say x by 2, and your b will be 3y by 2. 3 by 2 y means 3y by 2. So let us see. So x by 2 minus 3y by 2 whole square, it will be a square. A is x by 2 a square plus 3y by 2 whole square. This is minus 2ab, 2 into x by 2 into, just a minute, it is not sensing. Chalo. Into 3y by 2. So 2ab. So let us see what it happens. It is x square by 4 plus it will be 9y square by 4. Okay, 9y square by 4, it will be 2 will get cancelled out, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, and this 2 will remain. So it will be minus 3xy by 2. This will be your answer. Please check it out. If this is your answer, this is question number 3 part 2. X square by 4, 9y square by 4, then minus 3xy by 2. Okay, so let's pause the video and write it down. And we'll move on to the next question. So by using standard formula, expand the following. This is x plus 3 into x plus 5, and here in this second question it is x plus 3 into x minus 5. Now before moving on to this question, we will learn a new thing. Now in class 7 you have learned this kind of multiplication. How you used to do it? You used to write first term x over here, this first term x over here, and this entire term x plus 5. Again this is plus 3 into again x plus 5. So like this you are used to supposed to do in class 7. Now in this class we will not do in this way. When the x is single, I mean in this question, just before that, how you used to complete it, then you used to do this kind of multiplication. It is x square plus 5x plus like this 3x plus 15 like this. So we will not do in this way. We will be adopting a formula. Okay, so let's see how to adopt this formula, and this formula is applicable only when this x is single. It should be only x over here. Here also only x. It should not be 2x, 3x. It should not be 2x or 3x or x squared. If this thing happens, we cannot use the formula which I am going to teach you now. Okay, so it has to be single x, and this term can be anything. This can be 3, 5, or any algebraic expression can also be applicable for in case of 3 and 5, in place of 3 and 5. So but this first term should be x, single x, not x square, not x cube or anything else, or neither 2x, 3x, 5x, 7x, nothing. So it will be only x. Then we can use this formula. Let us first learn the formula. The formula says, suppose it is x plus a into, just a minute, into x plus b. So it will be, first term is x square. What is the coefficient of x? Now why x square? Because there are 2x over there. If you multiply, the highest power of x will be x square only. It will not be x cube, and it will neither be x. So when 2 x's get multiplied, the highest power will be x. So it will be x square, and the coefficient of x square will be 1. If nothing is there, the coefficient is 1. Okay, understood? next term will be plus, you leave a gap and write to x over here, and the third term will be the product. So now let us see how it fills this gap. So this will be a plus b. So it is plus a plus b. So it will be plus a plus b. Plus a, nothing means plus, and this will be the product of ab. Here plus a into plus b will be plus ab. Okay. So this is how we are going to suppose. You simplify it, and it will be what? It will be x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, now let us see another formula, not formula, different sign. So second is a plus x plus a into x minus b. So how you will handle this? It will be x square plus, it will be, you tell me what it will be. It will be plus a into minus, plus a minus a माने a minus b. जैसा दिखाई दे रहा है वैसा ही लिखना है. ओके, a minus b. You see a minus b, just a minus b, and into x plus, this will be plus a into minus b, it will be minus ab. So it will be minus ab, and the resultant formula will appear as, this will be x square. So coefficient will be 1. Coefficient is 1. Here also the coefficient is 1. You don't have to write 1. Plus a minus b x minus ab. Plus minus will be minus. Okay. Now see another form. If it is x minus a into x minus b, both are minus, so what do we write? So this will be x square plus, here both of them are minus, so I will write minus a minus b. Simple. So I will write over here minus a minus b. I think it is very simple for you. Okay, minus a minus b, and it will be minus a into minus b. Achha, this plus will remain. This is the plus of the formula. Okay, this plus will remain. Inside the bracket you multiply with considering sign, and then you put the resultant sign. Minus minus, it will be plus ab. You don't write plus over here, so it is not required. Okay, only ab. This plus will always remain. This plus is for formula. Let me mark you. This plus is for formula. This will always remain, and you are putting the sign inside. See here, nothing is there means plus. Here it is minus. Here it is plus. So in case of plus, we don't write the sign. Only minus we write the sign. I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to see what happens when there are 3 terms. Okay, let me show you when there are 3 terms. Let me erase it first. Let me erase it first, and let me show you when there are 3 terms. Okay, so when there are 3 terms, then it will be x plus a, it will be x plus b into x plus c. So how to handle this? Just a minute. Into x plus c. So how to handle this? Now this will be, see, the pattern will be, first will be x cube. Why cube? Because 3 x's are getting multiplied, so highest power of x will be 3. And the previous, just like the previous case, the coefficient of x cube here will be always equal to 1. Next term will be x. Next term will be x. So x square. So we will leave a gap over here. It will be x square. We will fill this up later. then it will be x. See, the power of x is reducing, so first term will be x cube, then it will be x square, and then it will be x. And here also one thing is valid, that this x should be single. It will not be 2x, 3x, 4x or x square, x cube, nothing. It should be only single x in all the three terms. Okay, then only this style of formula can be applied. So this will be, leave another gap, you write x over here, and then plus this will be product of the three terms. Okay, now how to fill this gap? This will be a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, and here it will be ab, bc, ca. Understood? Now see, all the signs are plus, so all of them will be positive, plus, plus, and here it will be the product of the three numbers with sign. This plus sign will remain. These are pluses of formula, last like the previous example. ये जो plus है ना, ये रहेगा, हर वक्त रहेगा in every formula. All the adjustments will be done inside the bracket. So this will be ABC, ABC. Okay, understood? Now let us see another form. This is the first form. Let us see second form. So let us take x plus a into x minus b into x plus c. Let us see how it comes out to be. So it will be, first term will be x cube and the coefficient will be 1. So we don't write 1. Here also we will remove 1 in the later second case, second step. So it will be plus, leave some space over here, write x square plus, okay, first create the format, plus leave some space and write x, leave some space and write x, and then plus this will be the product. Chalo. Now here it will be, you see, here it will be a minus b plus c. Just see the sign, a minus b plus c. So plus a minus b plus c, simple. We will just see the sign and write, and there it will be a b b c c a, but here the signs will be different. It will be plus a into, just a minute, it will be plus a into minus b, so it is minus ab. So here it will be minus ab, minus b into plus c, it will be minus bc, minus bc, and plus a into plus c, so it will be plus ca. Okay, so it will be plus ca, plus a into plus c, and the third term product will be ABC, but the sign will be plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is plus, minus. Okay, you see the sign, plus into minus, it will be minus, and again minus into plus, it will be minus. Okay, so it will be minus ABC. So please note it down. Okay, now you can see another form. Okay, you can see another form. Last form, that is that is x minus a into x, just a minute, into x minus b into x minus c. So let me write, it will be x cube, then I will leave some space over here, it will be x square, then again I will leave some space over here, it will be x, and then I will leave some space over here, it will be product. So let me write, so this will be minus a minus b minus c. I hope it is clear. Then it will be minus a into minus b will be plus ab, so it will be ab. Then bc, minus b into minus c will be bc plus bc. Then minus c into minus a will be minus, this will be plus ca, and here it will be product. So let us see, minus minus it will be plus, and then plus minus it will be minus. So resultant will be minus a b c. Okay, please note, just a minute, a b c. So this will be the result. Okay, I hope it is very clear for you. Please note it down, it will be very easier. Then in the next step it will be plus minus, it will be minus. When the next step it will be minus ABC. This plus and minus will club to be minus, but initially you have to write this plus and then create the formula. Okay. Chalo. Now let's do this problem by using the formula that we learned just now. So it will be x plus 3 into x plus 5. So first term will be x square. Then it will be 3 plus 5 x. Then it will be 15. 3 5s are 3 into 5. Just a minute. Into 5. So the coefficient of x square is always 1. So it is x square plus 3 plus 5 is 8x plus 3 5 ja 15. So this is the answer. Let us see the next. This is the answer, nothing else. Let us see the next. It will be x square plus 3 minus 5x plus 3 into minus 5. What it will be? It will be x square plus 3 minus 5 will be minus 2x, and it will be 3 into minus 5, so minus 15. So this plus and minus is also minus 15. So this will be the answer. Okay, here this is the answer. Understood? So let's pause the video, write it down, and we'll move on to the next question. Yes, so you see, it will be x square plus minus 7 plus 9x plus minus 7 into 9. So it will be x square, this will be plus, minus 7 plus 9 is 2, so plus 2x plus 2, so plus 2x plus plus, inside this it is plus 2, so plus and plus will be plus. This plus will always remain, always remember, this positive sign will always remain. These are the positive signs used in the formula itself, then later you adjust, but for writing for the first time you should mention that positive sign, write the positive sign. Okay, chalo. So this is plus and minus, 7 9 ja 63, so it is minus, plus minus is minus, minus 63. Okay, understood? Let us see there. Here it is also same, the x, you should don't look at the y on the second term. You should only see whether this x is single or not. You don't have to think about the y. Okay, so let's see. This will be x square plus x. So what it will be? It will be minus 2y minus 3y. Minus 2y minus 3y. See it carefully. Minus 2y minus 3y. And then it will be what? Minus 2y into minus 3y. minus 3y. Minus 2y into minus 3y. Okay, so it will be, simplify this, it will be x square, this is minus 2y minus 3y will be minus 5y. Minus 5y into x, don't forget this x, this is there, minus 3y minus 5y into x. So this will be minus minus, it will be plus, plus 3 to just 6y square. So plus, another plus is there, so plus 6y square. Understood? This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Please note it down. We'll move on to the next question. Please note it down. Now let's see. By using standard formula, expand the following. So 3-term formula that we have learned previously. So let us see how the 3-term is carried out. So it will be, first term will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. Up to that portion will be, if you don't remember, let us see. We did that in the second page, I think. Yes, first page. See these formulas. First it will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. This portion will be same, and then in the bracket we are going to use the sign and multiply the combination. Combination means a b b c c a. Okay. So let's see. Yes. So it will be a square b square c square first. So it will be x, just a minute. So it will be a square plus b square is just 2y. Don't consider the sign over here. For writing the plus, don't consider the sign. Plus z square. Okay, no sign consideration over here. Plus 2. So this z is appearing as 3. I need to write z like this. Okay, so this is z square. Okay, I have to cut this because if I don't put this cutting sign, it will appear as 2, and if I write in the cursive writing, it will appear as 3. So it will be plus 2. This portion will be same. This will be AB, x into minus 2y. So it will be minus x into 2y. Then 2y into z, minus minus, it will be plus. This AB, BC. Okay, see AB, BC, then CA. Okay, 2y into z. So it will plus 2yz, and then it will be zx. So plus z into minus, then minus zx. Okay, so let me change the z here also. Plus z square. Chalo. So let us simplify. It will be x square plus 4y square plus it will be z square plus this will be minus, so plus into minus, so it will be plus into minus, it will minus 2 2s are multiply this, multiply this. So it will be 4. 2 2s are 4xy. And plus and minus will be minus. So plus again will be plus. 2 2s are 4yz. 4yz. Okay, just a minute. yz, and then again plus into minus is minus 2. There is no 2 over here, so 2 zx. Okay. Zx. So this will be the answer. X square plus 4y square plus z square minus 4xy plus 4yz minus 2zx. Okay, let us erase this, and because we will need space for this one, we can write this here also. Okay, just don't have to erase this. Let me draw a line over here with the first question, and the second question is below this. Okay, this is the first question. Second question is below. This is 5. This is 5 1. This is question number 5 part 2. This is question number 5 part 2. 2x minus 3y plus 4z. 2x minus 3y plus 4z whole square. So it will be a square, b square, c square. So 2x square plus 3y square plus 4z square. Wait. Z square plus 2. Next it will be AB BC CA. So it will be 2x. See the sign over here, 2x minus 3y. AB. So it will be 6 minus 6xy. Minus 6xy. Then BC, plus minus is minus, what is the 12yz, minus 12yz. And then 2x into 4z, 4 2s are 8. So it is plus into plus will be plus. So it is 8xz plus 8xz. Now you simplify and open this the bracket. So it will be 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square. Okay. 4 square is 16. So plus, so 2 into minus 6y. So it will be minus 12xy. So it will be minus 12xy. Then it will be 2 into 12 minus 12 minus 24yz minus 24yz. So it will be 2 into 8, 16. So it will be plus 16xz. Plus 16xz. Okay. So this will be the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So this is 5 part 2. So we will move on to the next question. We pause the video and write it down. We'll move on to the next question. That is same thing. So it will be easier for you to understand now. So it is a plus b minus c whole square. So it will be, I am doing directly, it will be 2x square, 4x square. Okay. Plus 9 by x square, then 1 square is 1, then plus 2. Here you have to put the sign. AB 2x into 3 by x, so 2x into 3 by x. AB, then BC, so plus minus is minus. Here it is plus plus. Now it is minus plus minus. 3 by x into 1. So 3 by x into 1. Then AC is 2x into minus 1. So it is minus 2x into 1. So let me close the bracket. So it will be how much? It will be 4x, just a minute. So it will be 4x square plus 9 by x square plus 1. This will cancel out. This x will cancel out with x. There is no extra cancel out. Plus this will be 4. 2 into 2 into 3, so 12. Sorry, it will be plus. We are multiplying with like this, okay? So it will be 12 minus 6 by x minus 4x. So it will come out to be 4x square plus 9 by x square. You club these two numbers, you join these two numbers, 1 and 12, it will be plus 13 minus 6 by x minus 4x. So this will be the answer. This is 13. So this will be the answer. Okay. So we will rub the board. You note it down. We will rub the board, and then we will solve the next problem. Oh, sorry. Select and select. Okay, so let us do this problem. This one. So it is 2 by 3x, so a minus b minus c, so it will be 4, just a minute, 4x square by 3 square is 9 plus 3 means 9 by 4x square, then it is 1 square is 1, then it's plus 2, then it will be with sign. So it will be AB, A into B. So it will be with sign, so plus minus is minus 2x by 3 into 3 by 2x. So it is minus. So then it is minus plus. So it will be minus a plus a plus. So it will be 3 by 2x into 1. Then it will be minus into plus is minus AB, this is AB, this is BC, and third term will be CA. So CA will be 1 into minus 2x by 3 into 1. So now you simplify and see what happens. this will get multiplied like this. This 2 into this, then 2 into this, and then 2 into this. So you see what happens, it will be 4x square by 9 plus 9 by 4x square plus 1 plus. So let me see what it cancels. Is there any possibility of cancellation? Yes, there should be. So 2 gets cancelled out of 2, 3 gets cancelled out of 3, 1, x. So only 1 is remaining over here. Okay. So this will be so 2 into this inside will be 1, and here it will be plus. This term is only 1. It is minus 1, so it is minus 1. Don't forget this sign, minus 1. This one will be 3 by 2x, 3 by 2x, and this will be minus. I have not yet multiplied with 2. Be careful, I have not yet multiplied it with 2. I am just simplifying the inside. So 2x by 3. Okay. Now the next step will be 4x square by 9 plus 9 by 4x square plus, now you multiply. Okay, now you multiply. We have not multiplied over here, so let me erase this portion. Just a minute, select. Okay, chalo. Then this is chalo. So it will be what? 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So let me take the eraser. So this is plus 1, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into 3 by 2x. So this 2 will get multiplied with 3 by 2x. So what will happen? This 2 will get cancelled out with this 2. Understood? If you can expand and write, this 2 gets cancelled out with this 2, so it will be 3 by x. So plus 3 by x. I hope you understand. 2 into 3 by 2x, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled out, so only 3 by x remains, and here also it will 2 multiplied by this 2, 4x by 3, so minus 4x by 3. Only one thing is remaining. You can only clap this, join this, and write other things has been done. So it will be what? It will be 4x square by 9 plus 9 by 4x square, and it will be minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1, minus 2 is minus 1, plus 1 minus 2, so minus 1 plus 3 by x minus 4x by 3, that will be the answer. Okay, that will be the answer. So let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to you pause the video and write it down. We will move on to the next question. So let us see. Now coming to cubes, see the problems related to cubes. So it will be a plus b whole cube. So this will be a plus b whole cube. I have taught you it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So it will be x cube plus b is 2, 2 cube plus 3ab, 3 into a into b into a plus b. Don't forget this, x plus 2. Your x is your a. Understood? In this question, x is your a and 2 is your b. Actually, it is just the opposite. In this question, your a is 2. A is x and b is 2. Okay, just like this. Just a minute. Chalo. Let me see. It will be x cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 6x into x plus 2. If you expand 3 to just 6x, okay, this portion 3 to just 6x. So if you expand, it will be x cube plus 8. Just a minute. X cube plus 8 plus 6x into x will be how much? 6x square plus 6x into 2 will be 12x. So this will be the answer. If you write it in order, proper order means decreasing power of x, so it will be x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. So this will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. Now let us move on to the next question. So it is, you see here it is 2a plus b whole cube. So actually in this question your a is 2a and your b is same as b. You try to understand this. This is your new a, 2a. Okay, so you will be doing a plus b whole cube, that is 2a cube plus b cube is same, b cube plus 3ab. 3 into a is 2a, b is b itself. Okay, 3a, a is here 2a, 3ab into a plus b, a is 2a plus b. Okay, now see what it comes out. 8 a cube plus b cube plus 6ab into 2a plus b. So it is 8a cube plus b cube. 6ab into 2a is 12 a square b. 12 a square b plus 6ab square, 6a b square. Okay, so this is the answer. If you want to write it, yes, it is in order only. Okay, now let us write it down and we'll move on to the next question. Now you see, in this question you can write answer in this step as well. No need to do this step. Okay, if you want you can do, but if you write up to here you will also get full marks. Okay, again a plus b whole cube. This is this will be 9x cube a cube plus b cube 1 by by x cube plus 3ab, 3 into 3x into 1 by x. So this is 3ab into a plus b, that is 3x plus 1 by x. So it will be 9x cube plus, so there is something which is I have done wrong. 3x whole cube, so 3x whole cube is not 9x cube. Please remember, 3x whole cube is 27x cube. So see how mistakes are done in exam. This will be, I have also done this mistake, so this will be 27x cube. Understood? So if it would have been square, then it would have been 9. So it is 27 x cube plus 1 by x cube, because 1 cube is 1, so it's 1 by x cube, and this x will get cancelled out with x, this x will get cancelled out, so it will be plus 3 into 3 will be 9, and here it is 3x plus 1 by x, so it will be 27x cube plus 1 by x cube plus, it will be 27x plus 9 by x, 27x plus 9 by x. Okay, so this is your answer for this question. You can write it down. Pause the video, you can write it down. Now let's move on to the next. This is a minus b whole cube. Next question. So it will be 2x cube. A minus b whole cube means a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. 3a is 2x, b is 1, 3ab a minus b. So this is the formula. So it will be 8x. 2 cube is 8. Okay, 2 cube is 8. 8x cube minus 1 cube is 1 minus 6x. It is just 6x into 2x minus 1. So it will be 8x cube minus 1 minus 6 to the 12x. So this is minus. So minus into 2x. So it will be 12x square. X into x will be x square. Now it is minus into minus. It will be plus into 1. So it will be 6x only. Yes, that's the answer. So if you want to write answer over here, it is okay. If you want to carry one more step and write in the decreasing order of x, it will be 8x cube, then minus 12x square, then plus 6x, then minus 1. Answer over here. Okay. Pause the video, write it down. 1 cube is 1. Okay, 1 cube is 1. So let's move on to the next question. Again, a minus b whole cube. So it will be 5x. So it will be 5x cube minus b cube minus 3ab. 3 into 5x into 3y into a minus b. 5x minus 3y. Okay, so it will be how much? 5 cube is how much? 5 square is 25. 5 cube will be how much? 5 cube is 125. Okay, yes, 5 cube is 125, so it will be 125 x cube minus 3 cube is 27 y cube. Here it will be, this is not 35, this is 3ab, 3 into 5x into 3y. So it is 3 5 is 15, 15 is 45. So minus 45xy into 5x minus 3y. So it will be 125x 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 45 into 5 is, that's what is 25, 2, 5 was a 22. 225 x square y, x square y. Okay, x into x is x square, another y is there. So and minus into minus, so it will be plus. So 45 into 3 will be how much? 45 to the 90, 45 3s are 135. Okay, so it will be 135 x y square. Okay, yes, so this will be your answer. Okay, you can pause the video, write it down. Let's solve the next question. So it will be again 2x cube, this is a minus b whole cube, so x cube minus 1 by 3y whole cube minus 3 into 2x into 1 by 3y into 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 1 by 3y. Okay, so it will be 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube. 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube minus this will get cancelled out, right? So you see this 3 will get cancelled out with this 3, so it will be how much? It will be 2x by y into 2x minus 1 by 3y. So it will be 8x cube minus 27y cube minus, it will be how much? 2 to the 4. So this is minus 2 to the 4 into x square by y. So 4 into x square by y. Minus minus, it will be plus. So it will be 2x by 3y square. 2x by 3y square. So this will be your answer. This minus and minus will make it plus. You see? This minus and this minus will make this plus. So, and it is 2x by y into 1 by 3. So 2x by 3y square. So this will be your answer. You note it down. This will be your answer. Okay. And here also you see this minus and this minus is making this plus. See this minus and this minus is making this plus. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Pause the video, write it down. Let's move on to the next question. Now this is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So here you have to expand both of them. Expand both the terms. So let's see how it happens. So it will be a square plus b square plus 2 AB plus, now if it is minus over here, then we have to minus and put a bracket. Since it is plus, we don't have to put any bracket. This plus is basically this plus. Okay, understood? So we don't have to put any bracket, we can simply continue. This is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into minus 5, because it is a minus b whole square over here, 2 into a into 1 by a. Okay, so let us see, it will be a square plus 1 by a square. Just a minute. A square plus 1 by a square plus this a will get cancelled out. This a will get cancelled out, so it will be plus 2, again plus a square plus 1 by a square, again this a will get cancelled out, so it will be minus 2. So here this minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled out, and we have a square over here and plus a square, so there will be 2a square, again 1 by a square plus 1 by a square, so it will be plus 2 by a square. Understood? 1 by a square plus 1 by a square, so 2 into 1 by a square, so that is 2 by a square. Okay, understood? And what is that? It is 1 by a square plus 1 by a square, so it will be twice, na? 2 into 1 by a square, isn't it? So 2 into 1 by a square is basically 2 by a square. Okay, so let's erase this. So this is your answer. 2a square plus 2 by a square. Now let us see this a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Just what I told you. In this case you don't need bracket over here, but in that case you will need bracket. So let's see how we handle this. So it will be a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. You don't have to write a into 1 by a, you can directly write 2 minus bracket over here a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Why you are writing directly 2? Because we have learnt a formula where a and a will get cancelled out. You can show a into 1 by a, then cancel it out, or directly you can write 2 also, you are allowed, because in your book there is a separate formula for a and 1 by a. Okay, so this will be a square plus 1 by a square. Okay, just a minute. So it will be a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. This is minus a square minus 1 by a square, and this will be plus 2. So see, the sign changes due to this minus sign, all the interior signs changes. So resultant will be a square minus a square, so it will get cancelled out. This a square and minus a square cancel out, plus 1 by a square minus 1 cancel out, and this is plus 2 and plus 2, so it will be 4. 4 is the answer. Okay, clear? Now we will move on to the next question. So here in the next question you can see the simplification problem, question number 11.1. So you see, first term, this term is all about a minus b whole square. Okay, and here it is the product of two terms. So first we are going to expand this in a minus b whole square, and then we'll multiply this like the normal multiplication which we have studied in class 7 and 8. So this is a minus b whole square. It will be 3x square. Okay, 3x square. Just a minute. Okay, 3x square plus b square. This is minus a minus b, so minus 2 into 3x into 1. So this is a minus b whole square, and this will be minus 3x multiplied by, we'll put a big bracket over here, 3x multiplied by 3x plus 1. Okay, and then again minus 2 multiplied by the, again this will be same, minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Understood? This portion will be same. Let me take another pen over here. Say this was, I'm taking yellow. Okay, and this I'm taking as white. Chalo. Just a minute. Chalo. So let me see. So it is, if it expands, it will be, you see these two terms are same. These two terms are same. This is 3x plus 1 and this is also 3x plus 1. So 3x into the entire 3x plus 1, and again minus 2 into the entire 3x plus 1. This is the style which you have done in class 7 or 8. Chalo. This will be 9x square plus 1 square is 1. This will be minus 6x, 3 to the 6, minus, this will be, you multiply this, so this will be 9x square and plus 3x. So again this will be minus 6x. Be very careful, this plus sign will convert to minus, plus into minus, so minus 2. Students, don't make mistake over here. This is very accident prone zone. This is plus, this sign will change to, this sign will change to minus, because this minus sign is there. Okay, plus minus, plus and minus, minus. So the result will be 9x square, 9x square minus plus 1 minus 6x. So open this up, minus 9x square. All the signs will change. This will be minus. Acha. Okay, let me first 3x. This plus is becoming minus. This minus will become plus 6x. This minus will become plus 2. Be very careful in changing all the signs. Okay. Now this sign will get cancelled out. This minus 6x plus 6x will get cancelled out. 9x square minus 9x square plus 9x square will be cancelled out. So what are remaining? Only minus 3x is remaining. Just a minute. Only minus 3x is remaining, and 2 is remaining, and 1 plus 1 is remaining. So we will write full thing. It will be 2 plus 1 you combine, it will be 3, and then it will be minus 3x. You don't have to take 3 common because this chapter is expansion, not factorization. If this is factorization, you should have taken 3 common and written 3 1 minus x bracket. And factorization, if this chapter would have been factorization, then you would have taken 3 as common and written like this. But this chapter is expansion, so this is not the correct answer. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay, you write it down. I will clean the board and we will solve the next question. Pause the video, write it down. Pause the video, write it down, and then I will move on to the next question. Okay. It's okay, I may add a page. No worry. I will add a page over here. Okay. And I will copy. Can I copy this? Let me see. Copy. Yes. Clone mane copy. No, I don't want to paste over here. No, I cannot take this to the next page. So okay, I will keep this. I will remember this. This is 4x plus 3y. Okay, let me delete this, and this question number 11 part 2. No, I will export. Delete 11 part 2. I will export in the new page. From menu, import, image, class 9, exercise 11 part 2. This question. Okay. Chalo. Yes. So how to solve this? This will be a plus b whole square. This will be a minus b whole square, and 48x will be separate. So you see, first let me write, this is 4x, 4x square plus 3y square plus a square plus b square is 2ab. 2 into 4x into 3y. So a plus b whole square. Then it is minus. This part is a minus b whole square. So it is 4x square plus 3y square. Again it is minus, this is minus, so it will be minus 2ab, minus 2 into 4x into 3y, and here it is 48xy. Okay, you see this. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So if you expand this, it will be this will be for the 16x square plus 3 is a 9 y square plus 4 is a 12 to the 24xy. This is minus 16x square. Okay, so this minus plus will be minus 9y square. This minus minus, this 2 minus will be plus. This minus sign will become plus due to this minus, and this plus sign will become minus. This sign, oh, just a minute. This plus sign will become minus, and this minus sign will become plus. Okay, so this will be 4 to the 8, 3 8 to 24, 24xy. So this is minus 48. This is minus 48xy. Now you can cut this, cancel this out. 16x square minus 16x square, 9y square minus 9y square. This is plus 24xy and this is also plus. Don't cut this. See the sign. This is also plus over here. This is also plus over here. So they will add up. They will add up 24 plus 24 is 48. So they will add up to become 48xy. And there is minus 48xy. So this is minus 48xy. So now they will get cancelled out again. And the answer is 0. See the problem. Write it down. Write it down. See the problem. Pause the video. Then we will move on to the next question. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Let me save the file. Okay. So this is a plus b into a minus b. You see, it is very clearly understood that your a is 7p and your b is 9q, isn't it? So we can write this will be, let me copy the question once again, 9q into 7p minus 9q. I can write it as a square minus b square, isn't it? A plus b, a minus b. So this will be a square minus 9q square. So which formula I am using in this page? That is a plus b. Just a minute. A plus b into a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. So it will be 7 square is 49, b square minus 9 nines are 81 q square. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Pause the video, write it down. We'll move to the next question. Same thing is there. It is 2x minus 3yx, 2x plus 3yx. So your 2x is basically a. This is basically your a. 3x is your b. Okay. 3x is your b. Again, this is a and 3x is your b. So let's move on to the problem. It will be a square minus b square. So 2x square minus b is 3x square. So it will be 4x square minus 9x square. 9x square. So this will be your answer. Okay. Write it down. I will move. Pause the video. Write it down. I will move on to the next question. Okay. So here 2x minus y plus 3, 2x minus y minus 3. Now apparently these questions you are expecting to do like this, right? Like you will write 2x over here and then the entire term, this entire term you will write, right? You will write 2x minus y minus 3 and then again you write y and then you will write again 2x minus y minus 3. So you are going to keep repeating this term again and again, right? Once with 2x and then with y. No, you will not do like that. We will learn, use the formula a square plus b square in this case, a square minus b square in this case, and see how things are done. We will consider pay attention. We will consider this 2x minus y as a. You see 2x minus y is appearing in both the terms. So let a equal to, or you can write just the opposite, let 2x minus y equal to a. Then how the expression will change? This portion is a. So equal to a. So this portion, just a minute. This portion is a, this portion is a. So the expression becomes, therefore, the expression becomes a plus 3. This is a plus 3 into this is a minus 3, a minus 3. Now this we will handle by a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So how it will be? It will be a square minus b square. This will be a square minus b is 3, so 3 square. So now put, so actually this will be a square minus 9. So now let putting, you will write putting a equal to 2x minus y, which you have considered 2x minus y. It will be a के जगह पे you have to write 2x minus y. So 2x minus y whole square minus 9. So it will be, you have to expand it in a minus b whole square. So it will be 2x square माने 4x square plus a square plus b square, b is y. So minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b, 2x into y minus 9. So it will be coming out to be 4x square plus y square, 2 to the 4 minus 4xy minus 9. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Okay, you please note it down. Pause the video, note it down. So let's move to the next question. You see here 3x plus y, I cannot take it as a because it is 3x minus y over here. So you need to find out which terms are containing, and which term possess similar signs in both the two factors. You identify yourself. You see this 3x minus 5 is same in both the terms. 3x minus 5, there also 3x minus 5, and y you see it is plus over here and minus over here. So we can say like this, let 3x minus 5, this is equals to a. Understood? Let 3x minus 5, this is equals to a. So how it will be? Therefore the expression will become, first let me write here, like write it in the same manner, just beside each other. 3x minus 5 plus y, and here 3x minus 5 minus y. Isn't it? Please see, 3x minus 5 minus y. Okay, after that you will write this. Sorry. After this step you will write this. Okay, and then you will write therefore it will become a plus y, because this portion is a, na? This portion is a, 3x minus 5, this is a. So a plus y into a minus y. Okay, now you simplify. it will be a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, so it will be a square minus y square. So you put the values of a, now you will write putting a equal to what you have taken, 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5, we get 3x minus 5 whole square. This a square is 3x minus 5, a is 3x minus 5, so a square is 3x minus 5 whole square minus y square. Okay, so you will have to expand this. So what it will be, expansion, so it will be, let me write it with the white pen, it will be 9x square, so a minus b whole square, so it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, so 9x square plus b square is 5 square, 25. I'm writing directly 25, then 2ab minus 2 into 3x into 5, then it is minus y square over here. So one more step, this will be 9x square plus 25 minus 3 5 ja 50, 15 2 ja 30x minus y square. So this is your answer. Okay. So this is your answer. Write it down, pause the video. So this portion is the expansion. This portion is the expansion of a minus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square, and this portion is the expansion. The y square is that. Okay, y square is here. Understood? So in the same way, you see, this is, let me take, this is a minus b whole square, and this is expansion of a minus b whole square. And 9 is here. Okay, understood? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So I will move on to the next question. Again, 3 terms. So here also you have to take common. Common means you have to take you find out which terms are having similar sign. So x is there, then minus 3 is same. You see, x minus 3 is same in both the cases. 2 by x is plus over here, 2 by x is minus over here. So you separate them. The signs which are having similar sign in both the terms, you consider them as a, and the signs which are having difference in both the terms, you consider them as b. Say for example, I want to tell you, you see, what is the formula we have? We have a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you see, a is having same sign over here and here. Both are plus, plus, plus. But b is having different sign. Plus over here, minus over here. So all the things having same sign, we will group into a. All the factors having terms, sorry, not factors, terms. All the terms having different sign, you group them into b. Okay. Let me erase it. Chalo, let's start. So we will be considering let x minus 3, sorry, let x minus 3 equal to a. So how it will look like? Now before that you arrange. Before considering, you arrange first. Then it will be easier for you to understand. You arrange these terms first. arrange them. So x, it will be equal to x minus 3 plus 2 by x. So arrangement is first, okay. Then it will be x minus 3 minus 2 by x, okay. So it will be just a minute, x minus 3, so it is x minus 3, okay. Chalo, now you are going to take let x minus 3 equal to a. So what it will happen, therefore you are getting a plus 2 by x multiplied by a minus 2 by x. So it will be a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, where 2 by x is behaving as your b. So a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus 2 by x whole square. So it will be, you put the value of x, you will write putting a equal to x minus 3. You are getting a jagah x minus 3, all right. X minus 3 in place of a. In place of a, you write x minus 3, and this 2 is this 2. Okay, minus 2 by x. 2 square is 4 by x square is x square. Okay, so you expand this. This expansion is required. Expansion of this term is required. This term expansion is required. So it will be what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 3 square is 9 minus 2ab. See, this up to this much is the expansion. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Then minus 4 by x square. Then minus 4 by x square. Minus 4 by x square. So if you do one more step, it will be, just a minute, x square, then it will be plus 9, it will be minus 6x, then minus 4 by x square. So that will be your answer. That will be, no, not this, this will be your answer. Okay, this will be your answer. You pause the video, write it down. Pause the video, write it down. We'll move on to the next question. Next question is little bit different. You see, in the next question, this much portion is a square minus b square, isn't it? 5 minus 2x, 5 plus 2x. So this portion is a square minus b square, and this is a separate. Okay, so let's see. We will do this portion. Let us do. So this will be 5 minus 2x, 5 plus 2x. So we will separate this and will write 5 square minus 2x square. X square into 25 plus 4x square. Okay, now this will come out to be 5 square is, I'm moving the bracket, it will be 25 minus 2x square is 4x square, and again this is 25 plus 4x square. Okay, now again you see here it is also similar to, this is a minus b, and again a plus b, isn't it? So again it will be a square minus b square. So you see what it will happen, it will be a square mane 25 square minus 4x square or whole square. So don't make a mistake over here. Your b is 4x square. You don't miss the square over here. 4x square per square. Uska square. Understood? So it will be 25 square is how much? 25 square is 625. Yes, 2 or 3 is 6. Yes, 625 minus 4x square, 4 for the 16. 16 x to the power 2 into 2. Power power that will get multiplied. So 16 x to the power 4. So that is the answer. This is the answer. Write it down. This is the answer. Please pause the video and write it down. Please pause the video and write it down. Tell me whenever you are done. I will move on to the next question. So let's move on to the next question. See, in this question, here also you are having a common term, that is 2x plus 2y, x plus 2y and x plus 2y in both the cases. But here 3 and 7 are different. So here it will not be, after taking x plus 2y as a, you are not going to get a square minus b square, just like the previous. Here you are going to get a plus 3 into a plus 7, which you will handle in a way that I have taught you in the previous examples, previous sums. Chalo, let us see. We will take, let x plus 2y equal to a. Therefore, the expression becomes a plus 3 into a plus 7. So it will become what? How I taught you? It will be a square plus, the coefficient is 1. So it will be something a, and then it will be the product. So it will be plus 3 plus 7. So it will be 3 plus 7. You don't write plus over here. So it is 3 plus 7. So it will be product 3 into 7. Okay, so it is coming out to be, it is only possible, this style of multiplication is only possible when there is single x or single a, single x or single a or single variable, no square, no 3 times, no 4 times. But if there is 4a, then it would not have been possible. Okay, understood? So let us see. See, it is a square, 3 plus 7 is 10, so it is plus 10a plus 3 7 are 21. Now you have to put back, putting a equal to x plus, a equal to x plus 2y, it will be, in place of a you write x plus 2y square plus 10 into x plus 2y plus 21. You see, I have written in place of a, I have written this one. In place of again a, I have written this one. A square plus 10a plus 21. Understood? Okay. So you have to expand this in the whole square formula. So what it will be, what the expansion will be, let's see. It will be a square plus b square, 4y square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2y, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 10 into x, 10x plus 10 into 2y, 20y plus 21. So if you simplify, is there any scope? Yes, only this portion. So this will be x square plus 4y square plus 2 to the 4 xy plus 10x plus 20y plus 21. So this will be your answer. This will be answer. Up to this portion is the expansion of this, okay? From here to up to here, this is the expansion of this. Then this portion is 10 into x, 10x, 10 into 20y, this portion. And then 21 is there. Don't put bracket, I have put it just to make you understand, okay? A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, okay? So I will remove this. Let us see the next question. Let me choose another color. Is there any pink? Let me take light pink. This one. Okay. See, again 2x plus y, 2x plus y, 2x plus y. So we are going to take 2x plus y as a, right? 2x plus y, again 2x plus y. So let 2x plus y equal to a. Therefore the expression becomes, this is a plus 5 multiplied by a minus 9. So again, in the similar fashion, we will multiply a square whose coefficient is 1 plus something a plus product. So it will be 5. Let me do it with another pen. So it will be 5 minus 9. Just a minute. Control Z. So it will be 5 minus 9, and it will be 5 into minus 9. So 5 into minus 9. So let me write it down properly. Into minus 9. Okay. So it will be a square plus 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Minus 4 into plus is minus. So it will be minus 4a, and this is minus also 5, 45. So plus into minus minus, so minus 45. Then putting a equal to, you will write, putting a equal to 2x plus y. Sorry. Putting a equal to 2x plus y, we will get a square in place of a square, it will be 2x plus y square minus 4a minus 45. So it will be how much? It will be, you have to expand this in a plus b whole square. So it will be 4x square plus y square plus 2 into 2x into y, 2ab. Then it is 4 into 2x plus y. Sorry, I have done one mistake. It will be, I have to write this 4 into, here also it will be 2x plus y, then it will be minus 45. Then it will be minus 45 plus y minus 45. So it will be like this, 4 into 2x plus y. So I can multiply this over here and write it down. So minus, so don't consider, open it out. Don't have to put bracket, you can simply solve it. So it will be 4 into 2x, minus 8x. Minus 4 into 2x, so minus 8x, then 4 into y, minus into plus, minus 4y. Understood? 4 into 2x, 4 2s are 8x, minus 4 into 2x, then minus 4 into y, minus 4y. Okay? Minus 45. Understood? So you break them, it will be 4x square plus y square, 2 to the 4 plus 4xy, then minus 8x minus 4y minus 45. So this will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. Check it. This will be the answer. Okay, so pause the video, write it down. We will move on to the next question. Then it will be number 16 part 2. So 15 part 3. So let's see 15 part 3. 15 part 3. Okay. So this question also we are going to take x minus 2y as a similar question. You can do this x minus 2y. So we'll write very first time writing let x minus 2y minus 2y equal to a. So it will be a minus 5 into a plus 3. So if you multiply, it will be a square plus minus 5 plus 3a. Isn't it? Minus 5 plus 3a plus it will be minus 5 into, it will be minus 5 into 3. So it will be a square. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2a. So minus plus minus 5 is 15. Achha, this now you have to put back. Now putting a equal to x minus 2y. X minus 2y. Let me write. Putting a equal to x minus 2y, then what will happen? It will be x minus 2y square minus 2 into x minus 2y minus 15. So this will be, you have to break this into whole square. You have to break this into whole square. So it will be x square plus 4y square, 2y square minus 2ab, minus, so minus 2, 2 into, just a minute, so 2 into x into 2y minus, you just multiply 2 into x minus 2x, then minus minus plus 2 into 2 4y, so it will be plus 4y minus 15. Understood? Understood? So yes, for the simplification, only one more step. X square plus 4y square, this will be minus 4 to the 4xy, okay, 4xy, and then minus 2x plus 4y minus 15. So this will be the answer. This will be the answer. Check it. X square plus 4y square minus 2 into a into b, 4xy to the 4xy minus, so this is 2 into x, 2 into minus this minus 2, minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 2y minus minus plus to the 4y minus 15. So this is the answer. In the same way, we will be doing this. Very easy. I will not do in details, I will just solve it roughly. So here 3x minus 4, you are going to take it as a, here also a. So it is becoming a minus 2 into a minus 6. So it will be a square plus minus 2 minus 6a, isn't it? Minus 2 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus a, and it will be minus minus, so it will be like minus 2 into minus 6, isn't it? So it will be a square, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8a, plus is there, and 8a, then plus minus minus is plus, 6 to the 12. Okay, putting a equal to that thing, you will write, putting a equal to 3x minus 4y, just a minute, putting a equal to 3x minus 4y, So we will get this thing, a 3x minus 4y whole square minus 8 into 3x minus 4y plus 12. See this was your question, a square minus 8a, isn't it? A square 8a. Okay, so simplification will be resulting to whole square. So this will be 9x square plus 16y square minus 2 into minus 2 into 3x into 4y, then 8 is a 24 minus, so this is also minus, 8 is a 24, so minus 24x, then minus plus 4 is a 32 plus 32y plus 12. Okay. Is it clear? So one more step for further simplification, that will be this step. So it will be 9x square plus 16y square minus 24xy minus 24x plus 32y plus 12. This will be your answer. You match it, please. Take time and match it. Pause the video, write it down, see all the steps carefully. Next, we will move on to question number 16. Okay, so let me move on to the next question. Save it. So, this is 2p plus 3q into 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. Now, looking at this, can you relate one formula? That is a cube plus b cube. If you remember, what was the formula? Let me write a cube plus b cube. It will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If you remember this, you see this is in this fashion only. The style is same. Now we have to identify what are the terms. Okay, we have to identify what are the terms. Let's see. First, this 2p is basically a. This 2p is basically like a, 3q is like b, and 4p square can be written as 2p whole square, right? 9q square can be written as 3q whole square, and this 6pq can be written as 2p into 3q. You see, 3 to just 6 pq. So the same format will maintain. A square minus ab. This is a. This is b. This is 2p square. So is a square minus ab. Minus is there. Minus ab. Then this is b. Understood? 6pq can be written as AB, 2p into 3q. This is 2p square. So let me write in a clear way. So let me write properly. This will be equal to 2p plus 3q multiplied by 4p square. I can write it in a third bracket and write 4p square. I can write 2p square. Okay, I'm writing 4p square as 2p square. Then 6pq I'm writing as 2p into 3q. So this becomes a square minus ab. So you can see this is your a. This 2p is just like your a and 3q is just like your b. So you see it is a square over here, then it is minus a into b, b is 3q, and again so this will be plus 9q square can be written as 3q whole square. Is it okay? Am I clear? So it can be written as, this will be a cube. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. First is plus, so it will be a cube plus b cube. So I can write it as 2p whole cube minus 3q whole cube. So a cube minus b cube. The entire formula is the formula of a cube minus b cube. So instead of this, I can write a cube minus b cube. So this, let me write it. This is the plus b squared term. Okay. So you don't have to write AB like this. I'm writing for your explanation. You just write 2 is 8, 2 cube is 8, so 8p cube minus 27, 3 cube is 27, q cube. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Okay. Write it down. And in the same way, we will do the next question. Pause the video, write it down. So here it will be x plus 1 by x into, this is x square. Then this is a, this is b. So next term will be minus ab. Minus x is a and b is 1 by x. Now you see, this x and x will get cancelled out. We will not cut over here because we are creating the formula. We are recreating the formula. So this, you don't cut x like this because I have written this 1 in this fashion. Understood? Minus 1 I can write x into 1 by x because ultimately this will cancel out and form 1. So you don't cancel over here. Instead of 1, I am writing this myself, so don't cancel. Something which I am writing myself, why I should cancel? Understood? So I will write plus 1 by x whole square. So this 1 by x square can be written as 1 by x whole square because 1 square is 1. Now this becomes the similar thing, you see. This becomes a plus b, isn't it? And here it is a square minus ab plus b square. You see this? Is this visible? Is the color visible? Let me see. No, the red color is not visible properly. So let me change the color. So this is basically like this. So this is a, this is b. So a plus b. So this is a square minus AB. A is x, B is 1 by x plus B square. Understood? Okay, so you don't write this, you just write the x thing, you don't write this AB, because I am writing for your explanation. You don't have to write that in exam. So you just have to write next step, that is, this is a cube plus b cube, because first term is plus means it will be plus. So it is x cube plus 1 by x whole cube, so which will be x cube plus 1 by x cube. So this is your answer. Check it, write it down. Pause the video, write it down. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, is it clear? So let us move on to the next question. Which is same thing. Only thing it is a minus b and a minus b. So this formula will be that of a cube minus b cube, and these two formulas will be both same, a cube minus b cube. So let me write. This is, you have to write 3p minus 4q multiplied by, you take third bracket over here, square plus 3p into 4q plus, you see 12pq can be written in this format, 12pq, isn't it? 12pq we can write as 3p into 4q. Okay, let me write it down with another color. This is 12pq and okay, so let me take this. So it will be a square plus ab plus b square. B square is, b is 4q, a is 3b, b is 4q. So it will be 4q square. Okay. So let me see. If this is expressed in this way, on a 12pq I can express in this format AB. This is A, this is B, A dot B. Then I can write it is A cube. First term is minus, so A cube minus B cube. So it will be 3p cube minus 4q cube. So it will be 9p cube minus 64q cube. Answer. So in the same way we will do the next question. It will be x minus 3 by x. This will be a square. 3 can be written as plus x into 3 by x. Okay, this x will cancel out and only 3 will remain. So don't cancel, just like the previous one, you just keep it and express this in this way only. This 3 is like this. Okay, so next term will be plus 9. So it will be 3 by x whole square. So 9x by x square can be written as 3 by x whole square. So it will be x minus 3 by x into x square. It will be x, no, we don't have to write like this, sorry. We just write a cube minus b cube. Next step we just write a cube minus b cube. So it will be x cube minus b cube is 3 by x cube, because your a is x and b is 3 by x, a minus b. Okay, so it will be x cube minus 27 by x cube. Okay, x cube minus 27 x cube, 27 by x cube. Okay, write it down. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so this big formula that I taught you at the end, so this big formula, what it is, which formula do you remember? Let me remind you once again. Let me remind you once again. The big formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. 3abc. It will be a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the giant formula. Now, if this is a, now I have taught you a special case where a plus b plus c will be equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, the entire thing will become 0. Here it is not that. Special case is not in this case. But this case is not about the special case. This is about the general total formula. Okay. Application of special case will come in the upcoming problems. Okay. But this is just the general formula which you have to remember. Now see how it is handled. Here, your 2x, this is your a. So 2x is your a, 3y is your b. 2x is your a, 3y is your b, 4z is your c. You have to express these terms in this order. Okay. So how you will do it? Let me see. This will be equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Multiplied by, you have to take third bracket over here, 4x square. I can write 2x square. I can write 2x square, then 9y square. So I can write 3y square and then z square. You see, a square, b square, c square. So a square, this is b square, this is c square. C square is 16z square. So 16z square can be written as 4z whole square. So up to this much we have done. Okay, up to this portion we have done. Up to this portion. Then this AB, BC, CA portion. So 6xy, I can write it as AB, mane minus 2x into 3y. That will be 6xy, you see. If you combine these two, let me write 2x into 3y. That will be 6xy. So it is done. Then BC, 3y into 4z. So let me check this. Minus 3y into 4z. You see, it is 4 is at 12yz. So 12yz is done. Now let me check this. 8zx. So it is CA term. CA means 2x and 4z. So minus 2x into 4z. You see 4 2s are 8 xz, so 8xz, so done. Now we have expressed the entire formula in a plus b plus c, but in this format we have expressed this. We have expressed this entire formula, an entire expression in this format, okay. This is the format which we have, this format. This is the format, okay. So if I have expressed this in this format, I can, in the next step I can write this entire thing, this a plus b plus c into a square b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to this thing a cube b cube c cube minus 3abc. So let me write this equal to, this will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, 3 into 2x into cy into 4z, a cube b cube c cube minus 3abc. So let me write what is the coming to 8x cube plus 27 y cube plus 64z cube minus 3 to the 6, 6 is 18, 18 for the how much? So let me tell you, 4 is a 12, 12 into 3 is 36, that is 72. So it is 72 xyz. Okay, I think this will be your answer, right? Yes, this will be your answer. Pause the video, write it down. Pause the video, write it down. Let me move on to the next question. Yes, this thing I have taught you, very easy. Single x multiplication, we are going to use a special thing, style of writing, and that is only possible when this x is single. Okay, so what was the format? Let me remind you, if I have pages, let me remind you. No, we don't add page. No, I think I have not discussed this. I will discuss very soon, don't worry. Multiplication of 3 terms, very important when they are single. Chalo, multiplication of 3 terms. Save. Now see, first let us learn. If this is the case, suppose the thing is it's x plus a into x plus b into x minus c, suppose, or it can be plus, it can be minus over here. Then first term will be x square, then the next will be, sorry, x cube. Since 3 terms are getting multiplied, it will be x cube. Then it will be, I will leave one space and write x square. Again I will leave some space and write x. Then again I will leave, there will be no x. So the power of x will keep on decreasing. Now we will see, it will be a plus b minus c. See, this is a plus b minus c, plus a. So plus, I don't write plus over here, and it will be combination portion. A B B C C A, mane it will be AB then minus BC, because C is minus, and CA minus CA, and again this will be product of three terms, A, B, C, and plus plus is plus, plus minus is minus, so it will be minus ABC. This is the very easy formula. The coefficient of x cube is 1, always remember. So we'll remove this. I will remove this and I will see, let me see how we can do it. So this will be, you see, this will be, first term will be x cube plus it will be x square plus this will be x and plus this will be the product. I will leave some space for the next problem. So filling up the format, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, then combination AB 1 into 2 is 2 plus BC 2 into 3 is 6, 3 to the 6, then CA 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, basically what I have done, I have written directly, this 2 is basically 2 into 1, this 6 is basically 2 into 3, and this 3 is basically 1 into 3, it's 3 into 1, CA. Okay, understood? AB, BC, CA, and then it is ABC, 1 into 2 into 3, so this is 1 into 2 into 3, so these are 6, so it will be x cube plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x square plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11x, and this is 3 to 6 plus 6, so this is your answer. Note it down. Note it down. Hurry up. Pause the video. Let's go to the next question. This will be x cube plus, we'll keep some space and write x square plus, I will keep some space for the combination and then product. Now fill it up, fill up the gap. Minus 2 minus 3 plus 4. Okay, then AB minus 2 into minus 3, what it will be? 3 to just 6, minus minus plus, so plus 6. You don't write plus over here. So AB is done. AB is done. Okay, AB. Okay, then it will be BC, so minus 3 into plus 4, 3 for the 12, plus minus minus, so minus 12. Then CA, so 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Understood? Now product, 2, 3 just 6, 6 for the 24, and minus minus is plus, plus plus is plus, so ultimately plus 24. So it will be plus 24. You see, 3 to the 6, 6 for the 24, minus minus plus, and then again plus is plus. So if you simplify, this will turn out to be x cube minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 4, so it is minus 1. So minus 1 we don't write, coefficient 1 we don't write, so it is minus x square. So x cube minus x square, then 6 minus 20, so it is minus 14, isn't it? This is minus 20 and this is 6, so minus plus 6, so it is minus 14x and this is 24. So this will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay, pause the video, write it down. The coefficient of x is basically the product of combination. First is AB with sign, then is BC with sign, and then is CA. And your ABC are correspondingly these values. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C. A minus x minus A, x minus B, x plus C. Okay? So this 6 is coming from AB with sign. B is, this 12 is coming from BC. Let me write with another pen, sorry. This is coming from AB, this is BC, this is CA. Please check whether you understood or not. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. Find the coefficient of x square and x in the product this. Now here only the coefficient is asked for, so you don't have to multiply and expand the entire thing. This entire thing expansion is not required. You have to only remember what the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is and coefficient of x is. Understood? You have to only remember these coefficients. So what is the, you just write like this. You have to just write like this. Let me choose a color. So you just write like this. Coefficient of x square will be equal to, try to remember what is the coefficient of x square, that will be a plus b plus c. So it will be minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. You don't need bracket because you are not multiplying with x. You are just going to write it, minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. That will be equal to 7 minus 3 is plus 4 minus 4. So it will be equal to 0. Achha, what does it mean? The coefficient of x is coming out to be 0. It means in your product, when you expand it in your product, there will be no x squared term. Coefficient of x square is 0 means 0 into x square, so x square will vanish. In the final answer, if you are going to multiply it, you will see in the final answer there will be no x square term. Okay, but in this question you don't have to multiply this, you just need this. So coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c. A means this one, a b c. Okay, coefficient of x square. Now the coefficient of x. Now coefficient of x will be the combination one, a b b c c a. So that will be ab, mane 3 into minus 7, mane minus 3 into 7 ab plus bc 7 into minus 4 plus ca minus 4 into minus 3. So minus 21 plus So it will be minus 28, and this is minus minus plus, so plus 12. Okay, so you solve this, it will be minus 49. This 21 and 28 will be minus 49 and plus 12, so it will be minus 37. So this will be the answer. Answer means this will be the coefficient of x. Okay, this will be the coefficient of x. Write it down, pause the video, then let's move on to the next question. If a square plus 4a plus x equal to a plus 2 whole square, find the value of x. What is coming to your head? You just have to expand this, nothing else. Let me see. This is a square plus 4a plus x will be equal to, expand this, a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square, means 2 square plus 2ab, 2 into a into 2. Let me once again write a square plus 4a plus x equal to a square plus 4 plus 2 to the 4a. Okay. Now if you bring this to left side, so a square will come this side and become minus a square. So a square minus a square will cancel out. Here also 4a will become minus 4a, isn't it? So let us see, these terms will get cancelled out. A square will get cancelled out because this will come to left side. 4a, this 4a will come and become minus 4a, so plus 4a minus 4a will get cancelled out, and only remaining will be 4, and here it is x, so x equal to 4 will be the answer. Very easy question. Pause the video and write it down. Very easy question. Okay. Chalo. Use this identity to evaluate the following. In exam, this will not be given, may not be given. So let me write 101 and use this whole square formula. So 101 can be written as 100 plus 1, meaning a plus b whole square, where your a is 100 and your b is 1. I hope you understood. So simple, write it down. It will be a square, 100 square plus b square, 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 1. So it will be 100 square money 4 zeros plus 1 plus this will be 200. So it will be 1 0 201 201 10,201. This will be your answer. Check it. This will be your answer. Okay. Very easy. So this is whole square. I have to write here whole square. Okay. 101 whole square can be written as 100 plus 1 whole square. Next question. 103 whole square. 1003. It is very easy. So it will be what? 1000 plus 3 whole square. It will be 1000 square plus 3 square plus 2ab, 2 into 1000 into 3. So it will be how many zeros? 3 square. So 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 9 plus 3 to just 6. This is multiplication, okay? 3 to just 6. 6000. So this will be, first it will be 6009, 6009, it is very easy. And then how many zeros remaining? 6009, so another 100. Understood? So this will be your answer. Next question, 10.2. How will you do? 10.2 can be written as 10 plus 0.2. So your A is 10, B is 0.2. So it will be 10 square plus 0.2 square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into 10 into 0.2. So it will be 100 plus 0.2 square will be how much? 0.004. So if you get confused, students, write like this: 0.2 square, okay? It means 0.2 means 2 by 10. Uska square. So 2 by 10 means 2 by 10 into 2 by 10. Isn't it? 2 by 10 square means 2 by 10 into 2 by 10. So it means 4 by 100. And 4 by 100 means the point is over here. So 2 zeros, 1, 2. So 0 will be there. So it will be 0.04. Understood? So if you forget, you can remind in this way. So let me see. This will be 0.04 plus this portion will be 10 into 0.2 is 2, 2 to 0, 4. So it will be 104.04. It will be 104.04. This will be the answer. Check it. 104.04 will be the answer. Check it. Next question. 99 square. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole square, isn't it? Because they have asked to find using the identity A minus B whole square. So now I can write, just a minute. Now I can write A square plus B square minus 2 into 100 into 1. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. Okay, 100 square, 4 zeros plus 1 minus 200. These are all multiplications. Okay, 200. So 100 plus 1 is 101. Sorry, 1000 plus 1 is 10,000 plus 1, 10,001 minus 200. It will be how much? It will be 9801. So let me do the subtraction over here. 10001 and then you do 200. 1 minus 0 is 1, 10 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 2 is 8, 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9801. So it will be 9801. This will be the answer. This is the answer, 9801. Pause the video, write it down. So, let me move on to the next question. 997. 997 can be written as 1000 minus 3 whole square. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 1000 into b. So it will be 1000 square means 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 9 minus 3 to just 6, 6000. Okay, so if you do this, it will be 1000, this will be 1000009 minus 6000. You do the simplification yourself, subtraction, it will be 994009. It will be 99404. It will be 4009. 994009. Do the subtraction very carefully. Okay? This will be the answer. Okay? 994009. Let us move on to the next question. First, you write it down. Chalo, let's move on to the next question. Use a minus b. So 9.8, it can be written as 9.8. So a minus b. So I can write 9.8 means 10 minus 0.2. Plus, you can do it from here on. 10 minus 0.2 uska whole square. Acha, previous thing, let me see, you have taken whole square. Yes, whole square. Chalo. This is 10 square plus 0.2 square minus 2ab, 2 into 10 into 0.2. It will be 100. It will be 0.04. 0.04. So next, what you do yourself? What it will be? It will be 10 into 0.2 is how much? 2. So 2 into 2, it will be 4. Okay, so 100 plus 0.04 minus 4. See, 10 into 0.2 is 2. This point will go, 2 into 2 is 4, so minus 4. Okay, so this will be how much? 96, 100, sorry, 100 minus 4 is 96 plus 0.04, so 96, see 100 minus 4 is 96, so 96 plus 0.04, so it will be 96.04. This will be the answer. Check it, this will be the answer, please check it. 96.04. Write it down. Next, 103 whole cube. Now it is cube, so it will be 100 plus 3 whole cube. So use the formula a cube plus this formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, 3 into a into b. 100 is your a and 3 is your b. 3ab, a plus b, 100 plus 3. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 100 cube will be 6 zeros, so 3 cube is 27. 27, and this one is 3, these are 9. This portion, how much? This will be this is 900. 900 into this portion will be how much? 103. Okay. So you do this multiplication. How much it will come? 900 into 103. When you do 103 into 9, what it will come? 103 into 9, it will be 92700. So 103 into 9, it will. Okay. So same thing. It will be same. 27 over here, so it will be 927. So let's see the next question, that is 99 cube. It will be 100 minus 3 whole cube. It will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So sorry, it is 1. It will be 1. 100 minus 1 is 99, not 3. 3ab. So it will be 1. 1 cube into 1 may be minus 1. So it will be 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 cube is 1. Minus 3 into 100 is 300. 300 into 100 minus 1 is 99. So it will be how much? It will be 3 into 100 into 1 into 99. It will be 300 into 99. So it will be 29700, this portion. So this portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 minus this 99 into 3. 9 3s are 18. 3 9s are 27. 2 3 9s are 27. 20 29. Okay, and 0 0. Just a minute. So if you add 1, it will be 29699. 29699. Now from 1000, if you subtract, it will be 970299. It will be 970299. That's the answer. Okay, 970299. You add this one with 2969. It will be if you add, sorry, it will not be 6999. It will not be 699. It will be 29701. Because this is minus minus, so it will be minus 29701, and then if you subtract it from 6 zeros, it will be 970299. You do the subtraction yourself, it will be coming, I'm sure. Chalo, let us move on to the next question. First, let me save it. Okay. 10.1 cube. So 10.1 cube, we are going to write it as 10 plus 0.1 whole cube. Okay. So it will be 10 plus 0.1 whole cube. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 cube, right? Plus 0.1 cube money. It will be 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. So it will be three positions. It will be 0.001. So it will be 0.001. That is 0.1 cube. This is 10 cube. No, sorry, 10 cube is 1000. Sorry, very sorry. 10 cube. That's why I ask always to don't do the step jumping. You just write it. 10 cube plus 0.1 cube plus a cube plus b cube plus 3 into 10 multiply into 0.1 3ab a plus b 10 plus 0.1, so it will be 1000 plus 0.001, and then plus this will be 10 into 1 is 1, sorry 10 into 0.1 is 10 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, this is becoming 1, right? 10 into 0.1 is 1, 0 is consumed, so it is becoming 1, 1 into is 3, 3 into 10 plus 0.1 is 10.1, 10.1. Now it will be 30.3, so this will be 1000. Now this will be, let me write 1 2 3 plus 0.001 plus this will be 30.3. now you see, if you add this, you see 30.3, I can write 0 0 and then I can write 0.001. I am adding this, this is becoming 301 point, this is 30, okay, and then 30 is added to this one, so result will be 1030. 30 is coming to last two zeros for addition, then 0.301, so 1030.301 will be the answer. This is the answer. 1030.301. Check it. Let's move on to the next question. 2a minus b plus c equal to 0. Proof 4a square minus b square plus c square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now you see, notice very carefully, this is 4a square and out of these terms I can take 3 terms and make a whole square. I can create a whole square. Now if I consider this 4a square, I can make it 2a square like this. So a square, now there is 4ac, so the whole square is 2ab term. In any whole square there is a term called 2ab, so 4ac can be that if I consider c square as my b. So I am taking this term and this term and creating a whole square and separating this b square. I will separate this b square and create a whole square using these 3 terms. Now see how I can do it. 4ac I can write it as 2 into 2a into c, isn't it? 2 into 2a into c, that will be 4ac. See how I am doing it. Let me erase this. See, this will be first you will write this entire thing, 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac. Okay, so you have to prove this, no? You have to prove this, so you can take left side LHS. All the problems will not cannot be handled like this, but this can be. So you can start with LHS, left hand side, and it will be equal to right hand side later. I will come. So let me write 4a square. Beside it, I will write c square plus c square, then I will write plus 4ac, and then separately I will write minus b square by a little bit gap because this is not a part of whole square, because 4ac is there na. So if this is my a, this is my b, so 4ac can create 2ab term. which is present inside a whole square. So I can write 2a whole square. This 4a square I can write 2a whole square plus c square plus, very important, this 4ac I will write it as 2 into a is 2a and b is c. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. This is my a, this is my b. So a square plus b square into 2ab. Okay? Sorry, this is not b, this is c. Sorry. So together it is forming 4ac. Okay, this system. This together is forming 4ac. Okay. Now separately I will write minus b square. So what it is coming? Let me write. It is coming 2a plus c whole square minus b square. Understood? 2a plus c whole square minus b square. So it will be, now you see, given, this thing is given. This thing, if this is 0, this thing is given. So from this I can say, first I will write, now I will write over here, given 2a minus b plus c equal to 0. So I can keep 2a plus c over here, left side, 2a plus c, and I can shift minus b to that side. So 2a plus c will be equal to b. I can box it. So 2a plus c will be equal to b. Minus b will push to that side. That will be b plus b. So instead of 2a plus c, I can write b. Now you understood? 2a plus c ke jagah I can write b. Okay. So in the next step, what I will do? In the next step, therefore I can say, therefore, in place of 2a plus c, I can write over here b square, because 2a plus c equal to b. So I will replace 2a plus c with b, and this b square is this one. This b square is this one. Okay, so b square minus b square will be 0, which will be equal to right hand side, RHS. Hence proved. I can write, therefore LHS will be equal to RHS, hence proved. LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so we have started with here and we have ended over here. We started with LHS, which is becoming equal to 0. Note it down. Note it down. We can do it in another way. I will show you right now. Please pause the video and note it down. I will do it in another way. I will start from here and then equate it. Another way of doing this problem. Please pause the video and note it down. Chalo, I will see. Add page. Chalo. It is given 2a plus b plus c equal to 0. So now let's start with, it is given 2a minus b plus c equal to 0 or equal to 2a plus c equal to b, taking squares. I will write taking squares on both sides. I can write or equal to 2a plus c whole square will be equal to b square, or equal to, you expand this in whole square formula, that will be 4a square plus c square a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 2a into c, and on the right side it will be b square. So you bring that to left side, it will be 4a square plus c square plus 2 to the 4 ac, and this b square, if you shift to left side, it will minus b square equal to 0. You see, that was the thing which was given to prove. 4a square minus, you write this in this order, write the next step in this order, 4a square minus b square, you see, or equal to 4a square minus b square, see how it was written, plus c square plus 4ac will be equal to 0, hence proved. Hence proved. So 2 ways you can do this problem. Note it down. Not the alternate process also. Not the alternate process also. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. If a plus 2b, a plus b plus 2c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube will be equal to 6 abc. You have to require to prove that. Now you see, if I take my a is okay, my b is okay, if my new c is this one, so a plus b plus c is, actually I am considering 2c as my new c. So this will become, see, what is the formula? That big formula. A cube, what was that? Wait. If a plus b plus c becomes 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. Okay. So let us see. I will start with LHS. Not LHS. I can write this one. Say, if a plus b plus 2c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus 2c whole cube will be equal to 3abc. 3 into a into b into c is 2c. Try to understand. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, my c is 2c. See, if a plus b plus c, this is my c, equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. Okay, that thing. You can write it on the left side only. So this will be equal to 3abc. Chalo, next. So it will be, you can simplify, it will be how much? It will be a cube plus b cube plus 2 cube is 8, so 8c cube will be equal to 3 to the 6 abc. So it's proved. We'll box it and write hence proved. This you have to write. We know like this. We know you have to write this. In the copy, this should be there. Because only one step, no? So this much should be there. We know. Then write this. this. We know if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Here you have to write here. Just write like this. Here a plus b plus 2c equal to 0. Then therefore, first you have to write this. First you have to write these things. Okay, these things, and then after that you will write here this much. This is this. Therefore, you don't have to write then. You write therefore. Therefore, this. Okay, only this much will do. Sure, only this much will do. Okay. So write it down. Pause the video, write it down. I will move on to the next question. Now, next question. Let me see. X plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, then this will be find the value of. This is not a proof. Here it is asked find the value of. Okay. Here it is asked find the value of this thing. Now you see, if this is my A, if this is my A and 2y is my B and minus 3 is my C, then I can try to create a cube, B cube, C cube formula out of this. So x cube will be a cube. So let me express, first write it down. First you should copy this. First you should copy it. I am not copying it. I am just writing equal to x cube. We can write x cube plus 8. We can write 2y whole cube plus. From these two terms, I can take how much common? From these two terms, I can take how much common? I can take. Actually, students, this will not be the previous formula. This question, this is this formula a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc or equal to 3abc. This question is not like that because there is no term called 3abc. Okay, this is basically a plus b whole cube formula. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. Chalo. So this from 6 I can take 6 x y common. It will be x plus 2y. Please check whether from this we are getting this or not. We are getting this or not. 6xy I am taking common and minus 125 is separate. I can write minus 125. Please check. This much is clear or not? Please check. This much is clear. So I will move on to the next step. So this will be, I can write, it will be x cube plus 2y cube plus 6xy. I will write in this fashion 3ab a plus b. So 3ab, a is x, b is 2y. So 3a is x, 3a, b is 2y. 6x is coming? Yes, 6x, yes, this is coming. This portion is coming, you see? This portion. Isn't it? 3ab into a plus b into x plus 2y. Understood how I expressed this? This which style? This is 3ab a plus b. This is basically a cube. This is b cube. This is 3ab a plus b. Okay, b is 2y. See, your b is 2y. here it is minus 125. Minus, sorry, let me use yellow pen over here. Minus 125. Understood? So this portion we can write a plus b whole cube, right? So a is x, b is 2y. So a plus 2y whole cube minus 125. Understood? Now we will use this to find the value of x plus 2y. We will write given x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2y, you push this value to left side, will be equal to minus 3 will become plus 3. So x plus 2y value is 3. So in place of this, I will write 3. So it will be 3 cube minus 125. So it will be 27 minus 125. So it will be how much? Minus 98. Isn't it? Check the answer. It will be minus 98. Yes, it will be minus 98. Please check it. Please check it. I have break this formula into this fitted. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, and this is separate. This is separate. This is separate. Don't think about this. This will stay separate, alone. Only this portion is the formula. 125 is separate. It will come and calculate in the last step. Okay. See, 125 is getting carried forward and only used in the last step. Okay. This x plus 2y value is 3, and I have got this from something which is given to us. This is given. So write it down. I will move on to the next question. Now a plus b plus c is 0. Then you see a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. We will utilize that. We'll write, we know if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, so simplify this. Find the value of this thing. Simplify this. LCM will be BC, CA, AB. LCM will be ABC. And this will be BC into how much is ABC? BC into A. So A into A square is A cube. Understood? CA into how much is ABC? CA into B is ABC, and this B into B square is B cube. AB into how much is ABC? AB into C is ABC, and this C into C square is C cube. So you see, if a plus b plus c is 0 given, we will write this. If a plus c is 0, then a cube b cube c cube will be equal to 3abc. So in place of a cube b cube c cube, we will put 3abc. So here there is a cube b cube c cube. In the next step we will write, in this place we will write 3abc by abc. Understood? Here we will write, since we know First, you listen. First, you will simplify this and write. Okay. Then we will write. Since we know if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then this is this. Then you will do this cutting. ABC will cut out. Just a minute, we'll cut it this with pen. ABC, so only 3 will be the answer. Understood? Only 3 will be the answer. Write it down, pause the video. Chalo, next question. X plus y equal to 4. Find the value of this. You see, x cube plus y cube plus 12xy can be written as 3xy into x plus y. Okay, so let me write here. Now this is given. This value is given. This is given. So here let me solve. You should write this first and then it will be x cube plus y cube. Then 12xy I can write it in this way. 3xy. Wait. 3xy into 4. Understood? So 3 4 is 12, then xy, it is coming 12xy now. Please check. It is coming 12xy, isn't it? So minus 64 is separately, I will write minus 64. Now this in place of 4, you see carefully what I am going to do. In place of this 4, I will write x plus y, because x plus y equal to 4 given. So instead of 4, I can substitute with x plus y. So next step I will write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y minus 64. Okay, understood? Now up to this much, if you look carefully, this is the formula up to this much. Up to this much. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So x plus y whole cube formula. So up to this much is x plus y whole cube formula and minus 64 is separate. Now x plus y formula value is given. This value is 4. X plus y value is 4. So I will write 4 over here minus 64. 4 cube is 64 only. 4 for 16, 16 for the 64. So 4 cube is 64 minus 64. So its value will be 0. Okay. So the value of the entire thing, this entire thing will be equal to 0. 0 is the answer. Please check it. I will do the problem in another way. Please pause the video, write it down. I will add one page and do it in another way. See, alternate way, I am writing alternate. X plus y equal to 4 given, so you can take whole cube on both sides, so it will be x plus y whole cube equal to 4 cube. So it will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y equal to 4 cube will be equal to, I am writing 4 cube over here, and next time I will change. So it will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. This x plus y I can write what? It is given, no? it is given x plus y equal to 4. So in place of x plus y, I can write it simply. I can write 4. Understood? So it will be 4 cube is 64. Now this is x cube plus y cube plus, this will be 12 12xy, and this 64 will go to left side and become minus 64 equal to 0. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, this is another way. So you see that this value is asked for, x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 6y equal to how much? So this is the answer, 0 is the answer. You see, it is asked for x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64 equal to how much? Isn't it? Find the value of, okay. So next question. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of. Now you see, this question I have taught you ki if a plus b plus c equal to 0, you don't have to calculate a cube plus b cube plus c cube, because the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to the value of 3abc. So which one is easier? We just do 3abc and that value will be equal to the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube only when abc sum is 0. Let me check whether ABC sum is 0 or not in these two cases. So let me check the first one. So let, I am doing number 1, let you just do this, we know, okay, let a equal to 27, b equal to minus 17, isn't it? C equal to minus 10. Now we see a plus b plus c equal to 27 minus 17 minus 10. You see, minus 17 minus 10 minus 27. So it will be 0. Will be equal to 0. We see a plus b plus c. This value will be equal to 0. Okay. So if this thing happens, then therefore we can write therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. Okay, then therefore a cube equal to 3abc. So we can write, so in place of a, write 27 cube plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube equal to 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. Okay, so find the values. 3 into minus 17 into minus 3 into minus 27. Sorry, 3 into 27 into what it is coming. Check the values. 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. If you do it in the calculation, it will be 16380. 16380. It will be minus is plus. So 16380 will be the answer. Check the answer. 16380. No, sorry, it will be 13770. Sorry, just a minute. So if you do the multiplication, it will be 13770. 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. 13770. Just a minute. 13770. Okay, it will be positive because minus minus becomes plus, and if you do the multiplication, first you do 27 into 17 you do, then with the result you multiply 3 and then add 1 0 in the end. So this 0 is basically this 0, and minus minus becoming plus. Do the multiplication yourself, it will be easy, very easy. And we check the second part, this portion now. So let A equal to minus 28, B equal to 15, C equal to 13. Now we see same thing, same style you will write. A plus B plus C equal to 28 plus 15 minus 28. Just a minute. Plus 15 plus 13, it is basically equal to 0. So A plus B plus C is basically becoming equal to 0. Then A cube, B cube, C cube will be equal to 3ABC. So A cube is minus 28 cube plus B cube is 15 cube plus 13 cube will be equal to 3ABC. 3 into minus 28A into B into C. This will be negative, right? So multiply this. What will be the value? 3 into minus 28 into 15 into 13. It will be 16380. It will be, if you calculate it, 16380. This will be the answer. Check it. Check it. Do the multiplication very carefully. Do not do silly mistake. Very carefully do the multiplication one by one. We will be moving on to the last question. Very easy question. So 86 into 86 into 86, 14, 14, 14. So you see, it is very visible, very much visible that this portion is A cube. This portion is B cube. So you just write let A equal to 86 equal to A or A equal to 86, or just the opposite. Substitute 86 equal to A and 14 equal to B. Okay, it is equal to, then the given expression becomes A cube plus B cube by A square, it is equal to A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, which is equal to, we put the value formula of A cube plus B cube, which is, what was the formula? A cube plus B cube, it was, try to remember, A plus B into plus, so plus in the first term, next it will be A square minus AB plus B square. And see, in the denominator exactly similar thing is there, so it will be, it will be square. Exactly similar thing is present in the denominator, b square. We'll write a square minus ab plus b square. So now we will cancel out this entire term. So only a plus b is remaining. So only a plus b is remaining. So what is the value of a? A value is 86. So put the value, what is the value of b? B value is 14. Put the value which is equals to 86 plus 14 which is equals to 100. So 100 is the answer of the given expression. This entire expression's answer is 100. This will be equal to 100. Okay. Now pause the video, note it down. Okay. So students, that's all from this exercise. This exercise, first exercise 3.1. In the next video, we will be discussing the next exercise, that is 3.2. Some portion of 3.2 you have done in class 8. It will be a little bit more complex, so we will handle that in the next video. Thank you.